In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay using Affirm at Walmart 2025, step by step. Affirm is a buy now, pay over time option that partners with select stores to offer loans at low or even no interest. If you want to use it at Walmart, the process is straightforward. First, make sure Walmart is available as a partner for you. You can search for partner stores in the Affirm app or on affirm.com. Have your mobile phone handy because Affirm uses text messages to verify your identity. Let's start with paying directly at Walmart online. Add the items you want to your cart as you normally would. At checkout, choose Affirm as your payment method. When prompted, enter your mobile number and continue. If you're new to Affirm, you'll be guided to create an account. Affirm will text you a 6-digit, one-time verification code. Enter that code to confirm it's you. After that, Affirm will quickly let you know if you're approved for this purchase. You'll see your options and terms so you can decide what works best for your budget before completing the order. You can also set things up from your phone in the Affirm app. Download the free app from the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Open it and enter your mobile phone number to get started. If you're applying for the first time, create an account when prompted, then enter the 6-digit verification code sent by text. In the app, tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need. For Walmart, use the total you expect to pay, including taxes and any shipping if you're ordering online. Once you submit that information, you'll see whether you're approved for the amount you specified. Prefer a computer? You can do the same on affirm.com. Sign into your Affirm account or create one if this is your first time. Affirm will text you a 6-digit verification code. Enter it to continue. Then let Affirm know you're shopping at Walmart and the amount you need. You'll get a decision right away so you can proceed with confidence. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Keep your phone nearby to receive the verification code. Double check your estimated total so you request the right amount. And review the terms shown so you understand your payment schedule. Approval depends on eligibility, and offers can vary by store and purchase. That's it. Now you know exactly how to pay using Affirm at Walmart in 2025, step by step.